This is the technology behind most AI applications that we use in the industry today. We learned about LLM, we learned about memory, prompt engineering, we learned about vector database, embeddings. Now it's time to combine all of them together. We are building one of the most important technological concepts in GenAI, RAG, which stands for Retrieval Augmented Generation. As our LLM is trained on generic knowledge, if we ask general questions, it would answer. But if we are asking the question related to our personal data, then it stops. So we are solving this problem using RAG. Whatever documents that we have, we are converting those texts into the embeddings and then storing them into the vector database. Now, when the user asks the questions, that question is then generated into embeddings. Now, this question is searched in the vector database. Similarity contexts are retrieved. Now, the user question and the retrieved context is sent to the LLM to generate the response. This entire flow is called as RAG. Now, let's build a basic RAG application. Here, like we usually do, we are calling the API, we are creating the ChromaDB and everything. Here, our RAG is a basic document. It's a sample document that we have. And what we are doing first, we are converting the document into embeddings, so using embedding response, whatever the embedding content is there. Here, I'm using Gemini embedding 001. And then that is stored into the vector database of ChromaDB. Using this collection.add, we'll be able to store our embeddings. Next, here we are asking the question. The question is again converted into embeddings and it is searched in the ChromaDB using this query, which is collection.query. Whatever result that we got, that is stored in the retrieved doc. And the prompt is here, we are combining two things. One is the user query, that is the question, and the content that is retrieved, that is the context. And we are sending it to the LLM Gemini. Let us see how was our final answer. Here, first, as our document is converted into embedding and stored in the vector DB, that is done. Let us ask the question, where are embeddings stored? If you see the document, we do not specifically name the answer, but here we are going to ask the question, where are embeddings stored? First, this will be converted into vectors and then that is searched in the vector DB, and then relevant context is retrieved. Here you see these are the relevant context, and this relevant context and the user query will be taken and given to the LLM. This is a response. Embeddings are stored in the vector database. Typically, we haven't mentioned this in here. Now, our LLM isn't general. It is answering from our data. This is how most applications like PDF chatbots or AI searches work. Once you understand RAG, you have crossed a huge milestone in GenAI. But we are not going to stop here. In next episode, we are going to build a real PDF chatbot using RAG. Thank you.